fade. The kinds of friendships that will never fade. And I must admit, I am sad to go. Looking back, it wasn't so bad. I'm glad I had it while I lived in class. I'm glad I have it as a part of my past. And I must admit, I am sad to go. Now it's time we start moving on. We may not see each other for so long. By then these memories, they may be gone, but I hope you remember this song. You will be in my memories, and you will be my memories. You will be in my memories. You will be in my memories. You will be in my memories, and you will be in my memories.
Ladies and gentlemen, Steve Wilson, Sheila, and Gilla Rua, lead surfer.